I've had it now. I have had it now. I've had a guts full of this country. I want to go and live on a deserted island with a couple of birds. Feathered or the other kind. That's for this week. I'm telling you. Oh, God. Where are we in the richest economy of the world? UK or Britain, whatever you want to call it now. Where are we as the richest country in the world? And we see, well, third world countries, third world countries struggling to feed themselves. Look at Britain. I think not. Well, I'll leave Northern Ireland out because I think they're doing it right at the moment. They're protected. The European Union is protecting them. I won't go into that. It's a long. Take hours to bloody explain that. What I just said. And yes, what did I just say? Oh yeah, third world countries struggling to feed themselves. UK, well, sorry, Britain here, right beneath my feet, struggling to feed their own population. And beyond that, thankfully, well, so far, there might be a snap yet. There hasn't been seriously cold weather. Well, there has been a bit north of England. Well, nothing serious on Scotland. But can you imagine if we have one of those cold winters? Energy prices zooming. Food prices zooming. Well, the main problem this year as the weather warms up a bit, we won't be so reliant on energy prices. But we still got to cook our food. Either by gas or electricity. And that's zooming. Prices, energy prices. We had austerity since 2010. Austerity till still got it basically. And there was no need for austerity. There was no need for austerity. The 1% got richer and richer. Or you could say the Tory trickle down. The 5% got richer and richer. And whatever. But it's going bad this year. Really bad. And the Chancellor, that Asian, ex-Asian immigrant, said, we'll give you a loan for now to help with your energy bills, only a little loan. But they'll all have to pay it back. Good God, the Tories are turning into loan sharks. Loan sharks. And you know, we won't charge much interest. Yeah, we heard that before, haven't we? God, I don't know. Anyway, God, I've been yapping on here for 5 minutes. I thought I'd only been here for 2 minutes. I forgot how I started this now. Anyway, it's going to be one of my favourite words, ghastly. It's going to be ghastly in Britain this year. Trucks lining up at Dover and the other side in Carling. Either trying to export or import from and to the UK. Well, there we are then. Brexit chaos. Mongol like beans? Oh my God. We don't grow the beans to make baked beans in this country. And we don't even grow rice yet. Tins of rice pudding. We don't even grow the rice. Oh my God, it's all going. I don't know. Anyway, fuck you know. I'm almost up to 7 minutes. 7, 6, 4, 3.